Hello and good morning from Laos. Yeah, it's about 6:30 in the morning and it's breakfast time. It looks like a lot of places are closed, but we're going to go for a little bit of walk around, see what we can find. It's very quiet this morning. It's like the first person out. I think I'm out a little bit too early. But anyway, we'll find something. What I've noticed about Laos is that people wake up late and they go to bed very early. Like Thailand is probably, especially the city, is a 24-hour city. So what we'll do, we'll walk down to that market where I had the breakfast sandwich. Hopefully there's somewhere where we can sit down and have something to eat. Oh, it's a bit too early for me in the morning for this. Anyway, let's walk. Even the supermarket is closed. That is where we're going. I hear a lot of music down there. I can see lots more people as well, so that's a good sign. Go on, we're looking for some food. When I went to Malaysia, this was kind of everywhere was closed early in the morning. I think I went out for breakfast about 8 o'clock. Everywhere was closed. Yeah, we're going to go a little bit further today. That's the first bus I've seen since I've been here. Here we've got the sandwich guy. This is where I went on my first day here. It's fully stocked up there. Hello. I don't know if that's the same person. It looks a little bit different. Could we have another breakfast sandwich? We've already done that, haven't we? I'm going to walk up there and see what's going on. I don't know what his music is. I don't want to be copyrighted. What we've got here? She's making sandwiches as well, I think. So if you want a sandwich, I reckon this is the part of town you need to come to. Hi. Sabaidi. Oh, look at that. There's got a pate in there. Oh, it's very tempting. I'll come back. That looks really good. And I said in one of our other videos I could eat them every day. I might take one to take back to the hotel. I can see smoke. I can also hear music. Right in there, a chicken. fish man. I'm gonna go up there. So this is unplanned, this video as well. I wasn't gonna make any videos today, but I've got 2 hours to spare. So this is the market where you come to buy all your bits and bobs, I guess. Some more smoke up there, barbecue. I could do with, you know, some Thai food actually. Pak Krapao. I wonder if we can find anything like that down here. Too early, aren't I? Seeing a lot of dogs. I remember years and years ago in Thailand, used to be lots of dogs. Now there's just lots of cats. Hello. And they're really friendly, these dogs. What's she cooking up here? Rice cakes, huh? Oh, really early, aren't I? I don't know what to do. I just want to sit down. What are these dogs? I don't know if I want to walk too far. Should we have a sandwich? Or should we walk around the back of this market to see what's down the other side? And if all fails, we will have a sandwich. Pate. Way or through here? They're all burning something. Right, I'm going to go through here. Hopefully, lots of food. We're closing up to go home. I can't work it out. I can't work out their hours. It's like open at like 4 in the morning or something, this place. Tell you what, it's really hot in here. There's always raw meat everywhere. I think that music stopped now anyway. It's going to be a bit of a long breakfast. She's going to lock me in. Hello. I've no idea where we're going. But I can't work out what's going on around here. Got another sandwich woman here. Different kind of bread. Over there. Pate. Oh. It looks like we might be having a sandwich, but I don't know where from. That looks really good. And there's some more people over here. Fried chicken. I can't do fried chicken for breakfast. It smells good. I can't just, fried chicken can give you a heart attack, isn't it? Hey, what we got over here, man? Some more sandwiches. More pate, yeah. Hello. They all look good. Right, we'll have a quick look down here. I've only got Thai money as well. Oh, that looks good. Tell you what, guys, I think I'm just going to go back to the hotel and eat breakfast there. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.